Welcome to Earnings Central. In this video, we'll break down Universal Health Services' third quarter 2024 earnings call in under 4 minutes. We'll cover the key financials and major takeaways so you can stay informed without spending hours listening to the full call. Let's get started. Starting with the headline numbers, UHS reported net income of $3.80 per diluted share, with adjusted earnings coming in at $3.71 per share. Revenue growth remained solid at 8.6%, excluding their insurance subsidiary operations. In the acute care segment, same-facility EBITDA increased by an impressive 36% compared to last year's third quarter. Even when excluding supplemental Medicaid payments from Nevada, EBITDA still grew by 17%. Adjusted admissions were up 1.5% year-over-year, though surgical volumes showed some moderation. The Behavioral Health Division delivered strong results as well. Same-facility revenues increased 10.5%, driven primarily by an 8.5% increase in revenue per adjusted patient day. After adjusting for supplemental Medicaid payments, facility revenues still grew by 8.3%, with same-facility EBITDA up 9.6%. On the cost management front, UHS made significant progress. Premium labor costs declined 12% year-over-year to $60 million. Physician expenses, which were a major headwind in 2023, have stabilized at 7.2% of revenues in 2024. The company's cash position remains strong, with operating cash flow reaching $1.4 billion in the first 9 months of 2024, compared to $815 million in the same period last year. They've invested $698 million in capital expenditures and spent $350 million on share repurchases. Looking at expansion plans, UHS continues to grow its footprint. They're opening new acute care facilities in Las Vegas, Washington, D.C., and Florida. In the behavioral segment, they recently opened a 128-bed facility in California and are developing a 96-bed hospital in Michigan. The company is also pursuing new Medicaid supplemental payment programs in Tennessee and Washington, D.C., along with increased funding in Nevada. If approved, these programs could provide significant additional revenue starting in 2024 and 2025. Management noted that acute care volumes are beginning to normalize to pre-pandemic patterns, while behavioral health patient volumes are on track to achieve their target 3% growth rate by year-end. Pricing remains strong in both segments, though behavioral pricing is expected to moderate from current historical highs. Labor market conditions have largely stabilized across both acute and behavioral segments, contributing to improved margins. The company continues to focus on strategic growth through both organic expansion and targeted capital deployment. This performance demonstrates UHS's ability to execute effectively in both their acute and behavioral segments while maintaining strong financial discipline and pursuing growth opportunities. That wraps up our recap of Universal Health Services' third quarter 2024 earnings call. If you found this recap helpful and want to stay on top of more earnings reports from other companies, don't forget to subscribe. We've got plenty more quick and easy breakdowns coming your way from Earnings Central.